Good morning, students. Today we studied temporally ordered routing algorithm, that is called TORA. TORA. It is invented by Vincent Park and M. Scott Carson from University of Maryland. TORA is an on-demand routing protocol. The main objective of TORA is to limit control message propagation in the highly dynamic mobile computing environment. Each node has to explicitly initiate a query when it needs to send data to a particular destination. TORA belongs to a class of algorithm called link reversal algorithm. This link reversal algorithm we discuss later. What is link reversal? So, TORA essentially performs three tasks: creation of a route from a source to a destination. So TORA first create a route from source to its destination. Then the second task of TORA is maintenance of the route. So if any link failure perform between two nodes, that it also maintain the route, maintenance the route performed by the TORA. The next is erasure. It's a show of the route when the route is no longer valid. So what it done? If there is no valid route, then it erases the particular route. So TORA attempts to build what is known as a directed acyclic graph. TORA used the directed acyclic graph, which is rooted at the destination. So in the TORA, the sending of the packets done by using the DAG, that is directed acyclic graph. In short, what we say DAG is directed acyclic graph, means there is no cycle in this type of graph, and it is directed also, means all the edges of that graph is directed. So what is directed acyclic graph? A graph G that have V for vertices, that V for V nodes, and E edges. So a graph VE is a directed graph with V nodes and E edges if every edge in the graph has an associated direction. Okay. The term directed acyclic graph, directed means here the edges are directed in this graph. Acyclic means there is no cycle present in the graph. So that's why it is called the directed acyclic graph. Now, if a path in a directed graph forms a cycle, if it originates and terminates at the same node and has at least one link in it, so this is the cycle. Okay, what the means is, this is the cycle. It say if a path in a directed graph forms a cycle, if it means cycle means originate and terminate at the same node and has at least one link in it. In other words, a path from V naught to Vk in the graph forms a cycle if V naught is equal to Vk. It means originate and the terminate on the same node, and the path has at least one edge. A directed graph with no cycles is a DAG. Okay, earlier we discussed that in the directed graph there is no cycles, means the node that is originate and termination node is not the same. So it is called the directed acyclic graph. A DAG is rooted at the destination if the destination is the only node with no downstream nodes, such that no link led out to the destination. Such a DAG is often called a destination oriented DAG. Okay, this is the destination oriented DAG. Creation of such DAG from a source to a destination would contain multiple routes to the destination. So it is the destination oriented DAG. The idea is to first build a DAG from the source to the destination. Then as links fail, it might be necessary to recompute a DAG in order to find a route. So whenever the link fail, the DAG is recomputed and recomputed done, and the route is found through the link reversal algorithm. So if network gets partitioned, erasures of the route is required. Tora uses three kinds of message. In the Tora, the three kind of message is transferred within the network. That is the query message for creating a route, the update message for both creating and maintaining the routes, the clear message for erasing a route. Okay, so if any link failure performed, then maintenance done, and if and the clear messages, these three type of messages sent in the Tora network. So what is destination disoriented DAG? We already discussed that this is another type of directed acyclic graph, that is destination disoriented. So topology of the mobile ad hoc network changes in time. Thus it is possible that one of the nodes may have all inbound links, since for example the only outbound links failed. This is not okay, since only the destination should have this property. Such a graph is called the destination oriented graph. At this point, Tora resorts to link reversal. So what is link reversals? That we study in next chapter, next lecture. Thank you.